In this video, I will show you how to make your device compatible with any app or APK file using Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. Method number 1. Open Settings. Scroll down and find out Apps. Open it. Search for Google Play Store. Tap on it. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data. Tap OK or Delete. Once it is completed, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, open your Play Store and try to install your desired application. I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then go ahead with the next method. Method number 2. Open Settings once again. Tap on Apps. Search for Google Play Store once again. Open it. Tap on 3 dots. Tap Uninstall Updates. Tap OK. By doing this, your Google Play Store will go back to the previous version. In that version, your apps used to install normally. So, the chances of installing the application will increase. Now trying installing the app and see if it works. If it is not working, don't worry. Go ahead with the next method. Method number 3. Open Settings. Scroll down and find out Apps or Application Manager. Tap on it. Search for Google Play Services. Open it. Tap on 3 dots. Tap on Uninstall Updates. You can see here that I am not tapping the OK button on Uninstall Updates right now, because if I do that, my screen recording will stop, but you should tap OK on your phone. After that, restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, open the Google Play Store and try to installing the application again. You can also try installing the app using APK file. Hopefully the problem will be fixed this time. If the problem still continues, then you will need to download the APK file from a third-party website according to your Android phone's Android version. To do that, first check your Android version. As you can see on the screen, this is how you can check your Android version on your phone. After checking it, open your internet browser and download the application according to your Android version. Then install it. Hopefully your problem will be solved, inshallah. If the issue still remains, check the video description or the pinned comment. There you will find a tutorial on how to fix and install a corrupted application. You can also find other solutions for the Play Store problems there. That's it. Thanks for watching.
A voice on the day when the truth is revealed, when every hidden matter will no longer be sealed.